Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Today's video is on business etiquette. What are guidelines for phone etiquette? It seems like I'm always on the office phone. When I'm out and about, though, my cell phone never stops ringing, buzzing, or humming. Since I'm on the phone most of my workday, I should maybe do a quick review with you, and maybe there's a thing or two that will improve my general phone and cell phone etiquette. What do you got? What do you got? Well, here's a tip. Answer as quickly as possible. Speak clearly and distinctively, stating your name and the name of your organization. Use a pleasant but professional tone of voice. Be aware of your volume and clarity as well. If you speak too loudly or mumble on the professional call, your recipient may not receive your message the way you hoped. Your tone of voice is important on work phone calls. Practice and get skilled at transferring calls to the correct personnel. If you have to take a message, gather their name, their organization's name, their department, their business phone number, and deliver the message promptly to the correct personnel. Put some energy into recording an outgoing message. Take a deep breath and say, "Hello, you've reached Kit Welchlin with Welchlin Communication Strategies. I'm either away from my desk or on the other line. If you leave your name, phone number, and a brief message, I'll return your call as soon as possible. Thank you. Goodbye." Then return messages as quickly as possible. Just like with work emails, it's important to respond to work voicemails promptly too. As much as, or as often as you can, don't call unannounced. Be considerate of other people's time. Everyone has a schedule to follow. When you need to talk to someone on the phone, whenever possible, send them an email first to schedule your call. Calling unannounced can be considered as bad manners because the call recipient may be unprepared to talk with you. You may receive emails from team members or clients asking to schedule phone calls. Respond to these emails quickly with the best time you're available to talk on the phone. In this fast-moving world, you make and take quite a few phone calls a day. While you're on the go, the cell phone etiquette is important too. Consult your organization's rules for cell phone use. Try hard to only use your work cell phone for business purposes. Turn off your phone or set it to vibrate when in situations where the ringing may disturb or offend others, like in the middle of a business meeting or at a meal. If you are expecting a call while in a meeting or at a meal with clients or colleagues, inform people in advance that you are waiting for a call and expecting a call. If you need to take a call when you're with colleagues and clients, excuse yourself and step away from the group or table. Avoid talking on your cell phone while riding in an elevator, riding public transit, or standing in line anywhere. Oh my goodness. Given what you just shared in this conversation, I have realized my voicemail greeting isn't the greatest. And I want to be the greatest. It could use some sprucing up. I also realized I'm making some boo-boos with my cell phone etiquette too. I will call you later today and practice. Practice makes perfect, so they say. I wonder who said that. Thank you for watching this video on business etiquette. What are guidelines for phone etiquette? We spend a lot of time on the phone. We could just as well be good at it. If your organization is struggling with phone etiquette, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I'll provide some strategies that really work.